In this video, I'll show you how to create automations for your Tapo Smart Plug or your Tapo Smart devices. Now, for me, currently, I only have a Tapo Smart Plug, and this is the Tapo P100. But if you have multiple Tapo devices, multiple smart devices, you can create automations for them so that they can work together to be able to perform certain predetermined conditions or parameters, or set parameters for them to be triggered to work the way you want them to. So to create an automation, basically what you have to do is ensure you set up your device, and all your devices are in the app, set up via the Tapo app. Once you launch the app, simply select a device. So tap on the device, and then you want to come here and select Smart Actions. So tap on Smart Actions. As you can see, I currently already have a shortcut, but we want to create an automation. So a shortcut and an automation are different. If you want to see how to create a shortcut, then I'll link the video down below. So make sure you check that out. So to create an automation, simply tap on the plus icon and then select Automation. As you can see, when conditions are met, it will execute actions automatically. So this is what you want to select, Automation. And here, the first thing you need to do is select an effective time. So tap on this option to select a custom time that you want that particular automation to run, or you can set it to always. So choose whatever option that is best suited for you. If you select a custom time and tap on add schedule, you can set the time and the day you want that particular automation to be running. So if, for example, I leave it at that and tap on add, then this is going to be the effective time, and then I'll tap on done. So now the next thing you need to do is when any of the triggers are met, so set the parameters or add the trigger for that particular automation. So tap on it, and you can either select device status change, the time of day, or arrive or leave. So if I select arrive or leave, when you arrive somewhere, let's say for example, when this phone or tablet detects that you have arrived at any particular location, like that, so tap on done. So you can set the if, and you can add a condition, and this is optional. If this particular condition is met, you can tap on this and select device status. So you can select your device. If you have more than one, select that. You can select device on. So when you arrive at that particular location, turn that particular device on. So select that and tap on done. And then you can choose an action that happens when you arrive at that particular location and that particular device is turned on. So select add action. So you can either set it to control one device, control multiple devices, run a shortcut, enable or disable an automation, send me a notification, any of these options. So you can set that to run a shortcut, or maybe, yeah, let's say run a shortcut. You have that shortcut there, you can select that, or you can set it to control multiple devices to turn on. So maybe let's say if you have lights, or maybe let's say a garage door, or any of those particular things that are set up or linked to your Tapo Smart devices, you can also select them to turn on and choose the devices that you want to turn on once those preconditions or parameters are met, and then tap on done. Now once you create that particular automation, simply tap on create, and then give your automation a name, and then you can give it a name like home, and then tap on save, and those particular settings are going to be applied. And now as you can see, you have an automation that is set to trigger these particular actions when you arrive home. So that's basically how to create an automation, and this automation is going to work for all your devices. So if you have more than one device, this is ideal. You can set automations to do various things for you, uh, as long as certain predistinct conditions are met. But that's basically how to do that. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for even more content. Until the next video, take care and God bless.